Hello, my name is Nicholas Stefanelli. I'm for the ninth assignment of CS50 and I'm about to show the first part, which is the whole. Now for the holes, I just did a mean of math, the same as a particular library, the same as in Lua, in Lab 2D. So what I did is the minimum of the how many holes I can get from the maze size, or 4 as the maximum as it was required. So this is checked here. If this percentage and we have holes remaining to spawn, then this won't generate a floor and that will give us a hole. So well, the next part, when the player falls into the hole, I've created a despawn height as suggested. And so what I did here is, if the character controller, which is tied here in the place C here, that's the span height, and we character controller here. So if its position in Y and the transform is below this value, which one is the block size, and I added and I have it for a more realistic fall. And this is the static variable I'm about to explain later. But I destroy here the whisper source in order to prevent the sound overlapping and the game overload scene. The game overload scene is here. It's the same as the title one, with same canvas and effects and event system. And so what I did here, I loaded this scene here, and then for that to happen, I just created here. So they both invoke this event. So if my scene is title, I go to play. This is the regional one. But if I'm not entitled, that means I am in the game over. Then I should go to the title again. And finally, for the play state and the current maze, as you can see, I added these brackets and a 0 in order to format string in C#, and I tied that to the FPS controller. I created a level generator here, a level manager, sorry, and that level manager is tied to the canvas here. For example, you just this text. So what I did is I get which is the text. I added this tag here for the text. This is the tag I added, maze text. So I obtained that component and I set the text format in the string with this current maze. This current maze is the value for the maze, which is in this don't destroy. I just extended its use. So as you can see, it is being used on the start. I just set which is the text here in level manager. Then on the despawn height, I just restore it to 1, as well as destroying the whisper source in order to prevent overlapping the sound. And then on the graph pickup, I increment it by 1. So if we see this in a demo, oh, I fell in a hole. That sometimes happens. So as you can see, current maze is 1. And if I try to level up, find the coin, some must be somewhere here. So it's here, and if I pick it, You can see now the maze is 2. If I pick it again, it's 3. And if I fall, you can see no overlapping sound. And if I press enter, I go to the title and enter again, the current maze is restored to 1. So that would be everything. Thank you.